Prayer is conducted in the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca, known as the Qibla. It's conducted in units that are repeated called rak'at. Each prayer has a specific number of rak'at. It is an obligation for Muslims to pray 5 times a day. The 5 prayers are as follows. Fajr, the morning prayer, which is conducted before sunrise. It consists of 2 rak'at, both of which must be recited aloud. Dhuhr, the midday prayer. It consists of 4 rak'at, all of which are to be recited silently. Asr, the afternoon prayer, consists of 4 rak'at, all of which are to be recited silently. Maghrib, which is conducted immediately after sunset, consists of 3 rak'at, 2 of which are to be recited aloud, 1 silently. And Isha, the night prayer, which consists of 4 rak'at, 2 of which are to be recited aloud, and 2 are recited silently. We begin Salat by first making the intention from the heart to pray to Allah. Before we begin prayer, there are some points to bear in mind. Men and women pray exactly the same, and appropriate clothing should be worn. The distance between your shoulders should be the same as the distance between your feet. Your eyes should be fixed upon the point of prostration at all times. During Raku'ah, ensure your back is straight. During Sajda, your forehead and nose should be touching the floor at all times, and your feet should be together. Whilst in a state of tashahhud, sit on your left foot and curl your right foot. While looking at your right finger.